Greetings, beloveds. Grand rising, grand afternoon, grand evening, grand rest, wherever you are, whenever you tune in. Thank you so very much for tuning in. Welcome to your latest energy forecast update, where we tune in to the currents of the cosmos and decode the celestial signals shaping our collective journey. Let's take a look at this week's energetic weather patterns. Spoiler alert, we're in for a cosmic cleanse. We will begin with discussing solar storms and eclipse dynamics, and we'll call this the high winds of change. The sun has been active, firing off a series of solar flares and geomagnetic storms, stirring the energetic atmosphere around the Earth. If you've been feeling wired, restless, or experiencing vivid dreams, you're likely syncing with these amplified frequencies. The solar winds are carrying the codes of transformation, accelerating the clearing of stagnant energy fields, both personally and collectively. On March 29th, we're in for a partial solar eclipse, a celestial event that functions as a spiritual reset button. Eclipses, in the law of one perspective, are natural gateways for recalibrating our personal and planetary blueprints. This one in particularly is highlighting releasing outdated karmic cycles and attachments, a perfect opportunity to let go of energetic clutter that no longer serves our highest path. We also are dealing with some atmospheric shifts. Density is dissolving, clarity is rising. On the planetary front, shifting jet streams and unstable weather patterns mirror the internal upheaval we've been experiencing. These chaotic movements signal a thinning of old energetic grids. Think of it as a final storm washing away residual density. This is our sign to continue grounding ourselves, finding stillness in nature, and allowing the incoming light to integrate without resistance. Expect some turbulence as emotional and spiritual detox symptoms ramp up. Old wounds, outdated beliefs, ancestral baggage may resurface, but only so they can be swept away with the shifting patterns. The key here is not to cling. What's leaving is meant to go. By the time the eclipse energies settle, we'll move into a period of clarity. New perspectives, fresh insights, and deeper soul alignment will be the reward for those who allow the purification process to unfold. Final advisory for this morning. Ride the winds, don't fight the storm. This week's energy is like a cosmic weather front, powerful, cleansing, and ultimately setting the stage for renewal. Stay present, breathe deeply, and trust the process. The skies will clear, the energy will stabilize, and you'll emerge lighter and more alive with your true essence. And that, beloveds, is our energy forecast update for today. Until next time, keep your energies grounded and your frequency high. Thank you so very much for listening, beloveds, with much gratitude and appreciation. From my heart chakra to yours. If you made it this far, you are a rock star, and with much gratitude and appreciation. From my heart to yours, brightest of blessings.